Yes, indeed. An exciting week as it always is. First note is that for all those people that believe that Tesla was not going to replant those trees in Berlin, they've already started. 3 times the amount of trees, indigenous trees to Germany, have started to be planted in and around the new Tesla Berlin Gigafactory. So that's underway. Second is Elon has tweeted, as he always, that's his mode of communication. It's all he does. He tweets all day. Is he lets us know that full self-driving, the first beta release, October 20th. So we're a couple of weeks away. No, we're
Tuesday.
A week away.
We're
Tuesday.
6 days away from this. Casey and others are hoping they will win the full self-driving sweepstakes. We know he won't, but we won't tell him. We'll just keep him in.
Yeah, I'm 3 updates behind right now. It says you're up to date. I'm like, you lied.
Tesla is going to be pre-selecting a number of what they call safe drivers to release the package to them first. So watch for videos to start hitting the airwaves 6 days and 1 minute from now as people start to drive with no hands on the wheel and video recorders in their hand pointing out the window. It's going to be dangerous. So maybe you want to stay home that day.
Keep your hands on the wheel. It just means that you won't have to correct it.
That's not going to...
Next, Model 3 has been shown leaving Fremont factory with some mini refresh items. It's looking like the Chrome Delete is now in play for the Model 3, which of course was standard on the Model Y. And it's also looking that there could be a new rim that's been released as well, a 19-inch rim. And on top of that, things inside the car apparently are changing. The center console is going to go through a complete remakeover, getting rid of the piano black that would pick up all that dust and fingerprints. So apparently that's going to disappear into a matte black or dark gray matte finish. And what's really I'm waiting for is to see whether the automatic power trunk appears and the heat pump that's on the Model Y, if it appears on the Model 3 as well. So we'll be watching for those as those cars start to be delivered. But we have seen them rolling out of the Tesla factory in Fremont. So things are rolling. And one other note that we always like to touch on what drives us is about the tunnels. The tunnels in Vegas. Russell's favorite topic. We've got the Las Vegas Convention Center, who is getting their tunnels finished off. Apparently it's going to be in about a month, the inaugural drive through the operating tunnel. They're just finishing up the workstation or the stations. But what's happened is that the Las Vegas Convention Center group has applied to the city to expand the system massively, not just now in the Las Vegas Convention Center, but now we're talking about running north and south of the Strip, as well as a connection to in the north, the Fremont, what do they call it? The Fremont
Experience.
Downtown.
Connecting that with the old downtown, as well as all the way south to the arena, and then over to the west, which would be the McLaren Airport.
I was just going to say.
I'd say, yeah, how about the airport?
Yeah, how about the airport? Let's just, for the heck of it, connect something to the airport, for God's sakes.
So they've posted this request to the city of Las Vegas, and now we're going to see it's going to go through a number, I guess, of hoops to jump through, and they're going to take a look at what's required and such. But again, this is about maybe 12 or 15 times the size of the original project that's not even complete. So looks like Las Vegas is going to be looking into this to see if that's something they're going to want. And it looks like the Las Vegas Convention Center, they control a lot more than just the convention center, apparently, because they're the ones that are proposing this. It's not Tesla or the Boring Company. It's the Las Vegas Convention Center head is the one that presented it at a meeting in Las Vegas. So not sure how that works.
I think it's the Convention and Visitors Bureau.
Okay.
Yeah. Save on transportation fees. Hey, while you're here, just to extend that a little bit more. We don't want to pay to bring you back.
So that's it. A lot of stuff going on, and of course Russell's favorite subject of the tunnel. We'll be watching that like a hawk.
Maybe I can drive to that instead.
Or you'll be watching the tunnel like a mole. I mean, I don't know that hawks can actually see.
A mole.
Like a prairie dog.
Yeah.
Or a
Maybe.
prairie dog.
Or watching the tunnel entrance like a hawk.
Yeah.
I like that. Very nice.
You know what? That would be the perfect place for solar panels. If they're doing 2 lanes,
Yes.
then you could, right.
Nothing wrong with that plan.
Mm-mm.
It's bound to work.